In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import credit card transactions into QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through this process together from inside QuickBooks, so you can follow along on your own screen. The goal is to get your credit card activity into QuickBooks quickly and accurately, so your books stay up to date without a lot of manual data entry. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look for the Banking tab on the left-hand menu. In some versions, this same area might be labeled Transactions, but it takes you to the same place. This is where QuickBooks manages all your connected bank and credit card accounts, as well as any files you upload. At the top of the Banking or Transactions page, find the option to upload a file. Depending on your layout, this will usually appear under an Update or Link Account drop-down menu. Open that menu, then click on Upload from File. This tells QuickBooks that instead of connecting directly to your bank, you're going to bring in a file yourself. Now you'll see a prompt to select your file. Click Browse, then navigate to where you've saved the credit card transaction file on your computer. This is typically a CSV, QBO, or similar file that you've downloaded from your credit card provider's website. Once you've selected the correct file, confirm your choice. After you've chosen the file, click Next to move on. QuickBooks will then ask you to choose which account these transactions belong to. From the drop-down list, select the QuickBooks account that matches your actual credit card. Make sure you pick the right one, especially if you have multiple cards or accounts set up. When you're confident that it's correct, click Next again. Now you'll see the field mapping screen. Here, QuickBooks needs to know how to read your file. It may automatically recognize some columns like date, amount, and description. If it doesn't, or if anything looks off, manually match each column from your file to the appropriate QuickBooks field. This step is important because proper mapping ensures your transactions show up with the right information in the right place. Once the fields are mapped, QuickBooks will show you a preview of the transactions. Take a moment to review them and then select the ones you actually want to import. You can usually choose all of them or just a subset if needed. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Next to complete the import. Your credit card transactions will now appear in QuickBooks, ready for review and categorization.